Okay, alam niyo na ba yung game na yun? The game is all about, pipicture lang natin yung mga properties dito sa game na to, and then, something is haunted. Some properties are haunted, and it did not turn out, well, it turned out, ayoko na mag-English, walang joke. Yeah, we're just gonna go some picture taking lang sa mga properties na to kasi I think wala na tayo dito sa game na to, and then, yeah, that's the only way para magkaroon tayo ng income. We took that job, and yes, wala lang akong masabi. Peace out. Wait lang. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. Peace out. Flash and die. Pipicture lang tayo ng bahay. Tapos, habang tumatagal ata, nagkakaroon na ng paranormal. Remote trailer, Asheville outskirts, Erif. Includes one living area, kitchen. Pipili tayo. Listing price? Asking price? 2 years ago, I dropped out of high school because my business was doing better than I imagined. For a while, I thought I made it. Then everything fell apart. Yo, wala na akong pera, pre. 139.92.
Hey man, I think I just found us a chill little side job.
Oh yeah, what is it?
Some real estate agency needs people to take night photos of their listings.
Night photos? That's unusual.
Yeah, they said it's to make the listings look a little more unique.
Oh, so it looks all warm and lit up?
Exactly. Cozy lights, quiet streets, that kind of vibe.
Sounds easy enough. Do they pay per listing?
Yeah, pretty decent rate too.
Alright, count me in. May voice over. Ito na nga, pipicturein natin. Read the documents. Hi there, thanks for helping with this job. Your task is simple. Capture all required photos from the provided shot list. Kobe said you should already have the front door key. Good luck. Thank you for purchasing our camera F120. Before operating the camera, familiarize yourself with default configuration. Capture photo, okay, camera. Yan na, pipicturein na natin, pari. Ito ba mismo? Front view. Ito yung front view ng bahay. Ilayo pa tayo. Para dapat gitna. Bang! Di ba parang creepy dito pag may lumabas na multo? You can clip or complete the image. Okay. Kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. This one's the kitchen. May tapon natin to. Kitchen is done. Bedroom. Bakit? Kakaiba yung bahay na to, ba't bedroom na agad? Ayos to. What? Outdoor seating. Ano yung outdoor? Ito. Go back to your car. Task completed. Nice work. The next listing won't be so easy. Ganun lang pala gagawin. Ayoko sa part na i-review na yung picture. I don't think i-review natin yung picture mamaya. Ay, pwede ata kasi may gallery dun sa main eh. Ang dami! Front view, entryway, kitchen, living room 1, bathroom 1, pantry, bathroom 2, bedroom, living room number 2, and kids room. Ang dami! Order ba yan? Yeah. Hi there, Kobe said you're moving on to another listing. Glad to hear it. Looking forward to seeing the full set of photos when you're done. Oh, and one more thing. Check your photos in the gallery now and then. Sometimes they don't look quite the way you remember taking them. Wow, laki ng bahay, man. Look at the house. Wow. Okay, outdoors done. Front view. Entryway. Ito ang entryway ata. Diba? Diba entryway? Parang hindi maganda tong ng bahay. Parang ayoko ng gantong bahay, pre. Nakakatakot eh, oh. Ito yung entryway. Okay, done. Bakit may parang scary ambience? Ito yung gallery, guys. Wait lang. Ito yung pinicturean natin. Oh. Ito yung una. Wala naman nakatayo. So, okay lang. Punta tayo sa kitchen naman. This one's the kitchen. Remove this. Tanggalin natin yan para maganda. Okay. Kitchen. Living room number 1. Kagulat nasa likod ko. Nice lang yan. Okay. Kapatid ko yung nasa likod ko. Ah, dapat green, hindi siya dapat white.
Sabay kasi, biglang tumayo.
Parang mega rin murders ang atake. Oh my goodness. Kalat naman dito. Is everything good? Okay na. Picture natin to. Okay, goods. Wala naman siguro sisilip, no? Ito sa bintana, wala naman sa bintana dito. Bawal ba yung zoom? Ah, bawal nga. Tanggalin natin to. Hold to delete. Anong kalaban ko tonight? Ghost, I think. Pantry naman tayo. Ito yung pantry. Okay na. Okay, next. Ito yung labas. Pero wala namang kailangan picture rin sa labas. Damn, nakakatakot yung gantong bahay, pre. Ito yung bathroom. Kita dapat yung bathtub, toilet, tsaka ano isa? Sink ba yun? Ang lawak naman ng living room sa Ang lawak ng living room sa second floor. Hala, may nakasilip! Oh my goodness! Guys, nakita niyo ba yun? Para may ulo, guys.
Tik daw niya.
Dito, nakapwesto dito sa gilid, pare. Ba't gumagalaw yan? Sa kids room pa mismo nagmumulto? No, bro. Wait, kailangan ba picture? Can we like pictures? Picture natin. Wala naman lumabas. Wala naman lumabas. Ah, ito ba yung kids room sinasabi? Ah, ito pala, ito. Katabi ko pa yung may Ay, namatay yung bata ng 2018. November. Oh, bata pa to, pare. Kaya pala gumagalaw to eh. Paano bang galawin? Ayun, stop. Yo, sabi magpipicture lang tayo, pre. Bakit? Pero pa picture ulit? Yeah, wala. Wala talaga. Nasa loob ng cabinet. Check ba natin cabinet? Wala naman nakalagay. Bedroom naman. Ito ba? Hindi ko nabuksan. Ah, ito naman. Okay, bedroom. This one. Mami, may nakahiga dyan, ha? Ah, okay, wala. Okay, sige. Go back to your car. Okay, I'm going back na. This is creepy, ha? Creepy yun pa. Ayoko nun man, ha? Ayoko nun. Dito may nakasilip kanina, oh. Parang ulo. Parang nag-investigate. Pinapag-picture lang tayo ng mga owners para ma-post dun. Para ata ma-post. Tapos para may bibili, ganun. Okay, next natin. Tapos tayo dito. Dito naman. Mas mahal to, 349. Mahal. Magbukas ng pinto. Ang dami, men. Itong bahay naman. Okay, let's picture natin to ngayon. Let's see kung may sisilip. Walang tao sa bintana. Sige, goods lang. Yo. Jesus, this heart niya. Bakit ganito? This is not good, pre. Nakaupo? Wala din, pre. Ay, kala ko may nakasilip. Next natin, entryway pala ito. Ating cameras, check natin kung may nakita. Wala naman lumalabas pa. Sa bintana dito, wala naman eh. So, goods lang. This is the, what's in this? Bathroom. Bakit ganun yung ambience? Hindi maganda tong ambience, Okay, goods. Wala ba nakasilip sa bintana? Wala naman. Wala pa nakasilip. Wala pa. Kung makikita natin, wala pa. Bathroom number 2. Where is it? Ayoko na. Basement yan eh. Ayoko niyan. Sa taas na ata tayo. Yeah, ilaw yung ilaw. Wow, paint na dito agad I think bathroom. Okay. Walang naliligong multo. Yung mga may bintana, possible siguro magkaroon ng ganun. Dapat mag-green eh. Oh, why is it blinking, ha? Bakit nag-blink? Okay, ito yung TV tsaka console. Okay na. Hindi pwede picturein yung buo eh. Parang, yung ano lang, Yung nire-request lang nila mismo. Bale may mga list dun sa gilid. Yun yung pipicturean natin. Ay, Chris Landlord.
Hey, it's Chris. I noticed I still haven't received this month's rent. Is everything alright?
Yeah, sorry. I had a lot going on recently.
I understand. How are things looking?
Jobs have been hard to come by lately. But I'm doing what I can.
Alright. Keep me updated.
Got it. Wow, wala na tayong pambayad, Bards. We have no... Oh, the drawer is open. Uy, may susi. Garage key found. Okay. Ano pa wala tayo? Laundry room pala. Wala pa, no? Okay, sige. Wait lang. Shower and toilet. Dapat kita. Goods. Nakakatakot talaga pag may bintana eh. May nakahiga. O, wala nakahiga dyan. Okay, next. Garage, basement, tsaka back patio. Asan yung ano? Ay, nakalak dun sa baba ata. Hindi, basement yan eh. Ito ata laundry room. Hindi, garage to eh. May nakahiga. Oh my God! Bago yun ah. Dali tayo dun pare. Swimming pool, maliit. Wala lang sa swimming. Bakit ganun may lumabas na ganun? May jump scare pala doon, man. Ito ba yung laundry room? Wow! Bakit may ganito yung bahay? Bakit ganito yung bahay? May ganito yung bahay pero may hidden ano? Nakakang-creepy naman. Bakit may ganun? May secret room yung bahay. Torture atake kaya eh. Pitikan ba natin to? Baka may makita tayo dito pre. Wala. Wala naman makita. So far wala. Ha! Hoy! Ako yan ah! Kailan to? Ay, sa garage! Bakit may picture ako dito? Laundry na lang para makalis na ako pre. Laundry room na lang. Oo, may nanonood. Hala, nakalak! May nakahiga doon kanina. John, either clean up that basement room or keep it locked. Just don't let the photographer see it, alright? I just saw it, bro. Nakita ko na. Oh, no. Asan yung laundry room? Kailangan ko laundry room, pre. Hindi ko makita. Kararating ko lang ba? Nadaanan ko na? Napicturean ko na to kanina eh. Hindi nasama yung washing machine. Kaya pala may green pa to. Take a photo after completing and check. Okay. Nadaanan ko na pala. Pinicturean ko na kanina yan ah. Ayoko na dito pre. Baka mamulto pa ako dito. Baka sumunod pa yung ano sa akin eh. Home sweet home? Hindi yan sweet pare. Alisa tayo. Okay, next house. Ay, apartment naman to. 2-bedroom apartment in a modern residential building. Okay. Mas maraming laman yung bahay na yun kaysa dito. Ay, kang creepy naman dito, pre. Bakit pati to ang creepy? Bakit pati dito ang creepy? Ay, wow! I like this, ah! Wow, ang ganda ng living room, ah! Picture natin yan, man. Mas mahal, mas scary. Tama lang din naman. Di ba pag mas mura, mas scary? Bili mo na to. Nasa $383,000 to, pre. Ay, hindi ko pa na-check. Hindi ko pa naayos yung kitchen. Wait. May hindi nakuha. Okay, ito. Okay, done. Check natin dining room. Ito. Parang anytime may papasok, may sisilip sa bintana eh. Oh, wow, ang dami namang ano. There's a passcode, bro. It's all locked. Yun yung hallway. The pantry. So far, wala naman nakasilip. Yeah, actually, wala man. Ay, ito. Okay. Ito yung hallway. 1160, okay. Pwede pala picturean yun para lumabas. Open all. Wow. Ganda ng ano, men. Ang ganda. Check gallery. Baka may sumilip. No, nothing. Next is... Wow! Grabe naman tong mga design dito. Ang ganda. Good design, ha? Sino nag-design nito, man? Bakit may blood? Why is there blood? Must have been the wind na lang tayo, pare. Okay, sige. Let's... May rent? Yeah, may rent up ako. Hindi lang ako nagpo-post pa. What's the mechanics of the game? I have to take a picture sa mga listed na house. Okay, next natin, listing number 5. 2-story family home with basement and double garage. House for sale, okay. Laki ng bahay. Parang anytime isisilip. Oh, why is it glitching, ha? Haunted ata to. Home. This is in home. Nakakaramdam ako ng mabigat na ano ah. Don't tell me gagalaw to mamaya. Oh, may duman. Totally safe homes. Hello. Okay. Pili ko gagalaw to mamaya pa eh. Lakas parang sa egg kaluwag kaya eh. Nakakaramdam ako. Nothing. Pizza box. Tapon natin yan. Picture. Done. Okay, dining room. Picture. Done. Oo nga eh, may nag-static yung camera eh. Saan kaya tayo makakakita ulit? Sa first and second, meron na agad ah. Wala pa nagpapakita ulit. Wala naman sa mga bintana. Ito yung first picture, hindi, ito yung first picture natin. Sa bintana, wala naman nakalagay. Dito, wala naman... Wait! May white dito something, guys, oh. Kita nyo ba sa pinto? Parang may puti. May puti ng konti sa ano, yun. Parang bilog. Wait lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Saan ako nakita? Dito. Ah, I think ano lang yun. Ah, okay. Plato lang. Ah, yun dyan. Mamaya na yan, basement. Ito muna, garage. Plato lang pala yung puti. Bathroom number 1. Yung bathroom hindi ko pa napupuntahan. Nasaan yung bathroom? Is this it? Ano report?
Mamaya na ako nun, makapag-CR muna.
Sige lang, mag-CR ka muna pare. Sino yun? Para may tao dito ah. May dumaan ah. Okay, sige. Tao ata yun. Madaling ba yung screen? Hindi ko ma-adjust yung brightness. Hindi ko alam bakit. Ito yung pantry. Ito ba yun? Hindi pipicturean. Ano? Oh! My God!
Hindi ako pinapansin. Kinikilig siguro.
Kita ba yun? Kita ba yun, pre? Oh, may tao nga dun, pre. Hindi ata tao yung kanina sa ano, dumaan. Hindi ata tao yun. Oh! May nag-picture na naman sa... Stalker talaga. Ay, nako! Nasa pinto. May kumuha na naman sa akong ano ah. Hilig man picture na mga ano. May picture din pa. May camera din pala yung mga multo, pre. May nanonood. Buti ka wala pa yung may bintana. Okay, this is a big bedroom, ha? Big bedroom, bro. Parang anytime you see it dito. Check natin camera. Makapag-resign na nga. Parang hindi ko pa nakita kung magkano yung sound natin dito, ah. Save natin to. Save natin tong picture na to. Okay, sige. Wala pa naman ulit. Everything is good. Ito din ba? Pipicture na natin to. Basement tsaka back page na lang. Pasyo pala to. Bakit? Uy, may nag-click. May camera nag-click. Hindi ako yun ah. May nag-click ng parang may nag-picture eh. Nasaan na yung ano? Nasaan na yung basement? Nasaan ko nakita yung basement kanina? Binuksan ko yung pinto nun ah. Naliligaw na naman ba ako? Ah, ito. Nakakatakot naman to. Pati ba naman basement eh.
Follow ka sa mga di pa nakakapag-follow.
Tatakotin ka lang ba dyan? May jump scare eh. So, siguro. Wait, hindi ba tinayo ko na yan? Ay nako, ambot. Pag ikaw tumayo pa, ewan ko na lang. Okay. Ay putik. Don't tell me nalakan na naman ako. Ah, okay. Go back to your car. Oh yes, I am.
Kita ko yung clinch mo, hahaha.
Oh yes, I am going back, bro. Bye-bye! Ay, ito maliit lang. 2-story fixer-upper home with large yard. Dalawa or tatlo na? Tatlo na ata ang haunted. Tatlo na ang haunted na ano, si Kobe.
Hey man, how's it going?
Pretty good! Just one more house left.
Same here. I'm almost finished too. Come over when you're done. We can send the photos to the agency.
Sounds good. I'll head over when I'm finished.
All right. Can't wait to see them. Hopefully they're good.
Wait, parang na. Ah, ito pala yung game na to, yung demo. Yung gumagalaw sa likod ko. Hayaan nyo yan. Ito ba, parang nakita ko itong bahay na to. Parang hindi ito yung last house. May isa pa tayong bahay na pipicturan. May something sa second floor. Nakakaramdam ako dito ah. Okay. Double check nga natin, baka may nakasilip. Kahit dito sa front house wala. Sa front view ng bahay. Okay, let's go up na. Nakabahan ka man. Bedroom number 1. Ah, bedroom number 1. Ah, sa taas lahat yung bedroom. Okay. Ito. Wala naman acid. May natutulog ba? Okay. Uy, bakit ang dilim? No lights? Oh my...
Si bro ay pagod na.
Ay, ambot ka! Oh, bawal yan! Bakit ka nagganon? I'm so sorry. That's just a game, okay? Fake all. Fake everything. Fake horror. Alam mo na. Oh, where are you? Answer me, please. Get out of there right now. Pick up. You are in danger. Miss ko. Hoy! Hoy, alis na tayo! Hala, nag-miss call si Kobe. Guys, I don't think part 2 na mismong pupuntahan dapat natin. Binarningan na tayo ni Kobe yung kaninang tumatawag sa atin. Bruh. Why should I... Wala naman akong pipicturan. Wala akong pipicturan, pre. Ito, may... What's this? TV? Ah, may nakasilip, oh. Ay, hindi nyo kita. May nakasilip, pare. May lalaki nakatayo dun. Wait, hindi ba tayo to? I think you'll want to look into this. TotalEscapeHomes.com is not a normal estate agency. For money, they'll do anything. They buy abandoned properties for almost nothing. I just found evidence suggesting they deliberately poisoned an elderly man because they knew he lived alone and his family would sell the house cheaply after his death. They send photographers like me into these properties at night under the excuse of taking listing photos. That's not the real reason. They're sending us in to see what's there, to document it. Something is going on with those houses at night. Look at what I photographed earlier in one of them. People need to see Putol? Ah, ito yung na-photograph niya. Ito yung na-photograph niya dito sa gilid, sa mga na-portrait. Minata yung lalaki dito sa gilid sa pinto. Let's send this and leave. Am I safe? Is everything safe?
Don't
Oh my
send
God!
that email.
Sino yun? The email sent from Kobe's laptop led to a formal investigation in Totally Safe Homes. As a result, the company was permanently shut down and all operations were ordered to cease. 2 bodies were discovered inside the apartment. The investigation identified John S. as the suspect. He was an employee at Total Safe Homes who disappeared shortly after the incident and was never found. What happened inside those properties remains unknown. After the company was shut down, no one who returned to those locations found any trace of what had been captured in the photographs. What? Dang. Galing ah, ang ganda ng story ah. Though, di ko siya gano'n naintindihan. Tapos na agad, ganda. So, hindi siya paranormal. Ang conclusion ng game is tao yung pumatay sa atin. Ganun.